Are you tired of getting your points deducted every transfer you make each week on FPL? If that is the case, we have got you covered. For this, first of all, open the Premier League application and log in. After that, you have to choose on Fantasy and log in into your account. Then go to Transfer, and hereby you will see different options. Now you have to click on the player you want to transfer. You can transfer few players that you want. To do so, just tap on the player and tap on replace and select another player instead. Do the same for the other players that you want to transfer and replace them. Once that is done, tap on the next button and you must see the option of free hit. If the free hit is available, tap on it and then tap on confirm, and which will let you use the free hit. However, keep in mind that free hit is only available once for each season. So if you have already used it, it won't be available again until the next season. So this is how you can use the free hit chip. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and in case of any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section. Thank you and keep watching.